In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you can't sign in to your Microsoft account. If you're getting an error or you're unable to sign in, here are a couple of fixes you can try. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Services, then open it. Scroll down to the bottom and find Windows Update. Double-click on it. Make sure the startup type is set to Automatic. Also, check that the service status is set to Running. If it's not running, click on Start, then press Apply and OK. Now, right-click on Windows Update and click Restart. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Registry Editor, then open it. Now from this window, go and expand the drop-down next to HKEY Local Machine. Go and expand the Software folder. Then scroll down until you find Microsoft and expand this. Now scroll down again until you see a folder called Windows and go and expand the Windows folder. Then go and expand Current Version. Scroll down until you see a folder called Policies and expand this. And then go and click on the System folder. Now, find EnableLUA and double-click on it. Make sure the value data is set to 1. If it's set to 0, change it to 1 and click OK. Finally, restart your computer. And that's it. Your Microsoft account sign-in issue should now be fixed.